Well, we look forward to Mechanex every year because it's a great chance to meet the garages, meet the technicians and have real conversations with them.
We decided to come to Mechanex to get in front of our customers mainly. It's a chance for us to showcase our products and actually speak to people face to face.
It's a really big show. They get quite a lot of customers registered prior to it as well. So the buy-in to the actual show is really good, which is what I've found. You're seeing the customers that they are predicting are actually coming through the door. We're seeing a really, really good uptake, which is obviously a good audience for us to work with.
It's the right audience for us, garages, who is obviously our customers that we want to target. Gives us a great opportunity to see new customers, new prospects and existing customers as well.
I've had a lot of positive feedback about our products from people that brought stuff last year or other shows.
Well, we've been coming here since 2005. We've attended every Mechanex, and it's a great opportunity to introduce our new products and talk directly to the customers, show them the products, get them interested, and it works very well for us.
Fundamentally, it's building our brand. We're a young brand, building very well through the Parts Alliance. It's really about flying the flag, but it's nice to sell a few bits as well.
Last year, we did the large seminars, which we found really, really good, and it gave us a chance to inform garages, but we decided to move on to Unstained seminars because it gives us a more personal approach. We get to talk to the garages on their level. We can talk to them about day-to-day problems and issues with installations. When we finish the seminars, we get a chance to answer their questions. It also gives a chance for our sales guys to talk to them, give them information that they need, where they can buy our product from.
I just think generally because of the garage audience, we exhibit at a number of different events, but Mechanex is still definitely the best show for us in terms of our target audience.
This show is just it's very busy, it's lively, it's working well for everyone. A lot of sales, a lot of good advertising, a lot of good literature going out, a lot of big deals with the tools. It's gone really well.
We sign up people to our loyalty scheme, but also we talk about Bosch parts, equipment, and we generally get a feel for the industry in the region. What Mechanex enables us to do is to follow up with people afterwards as well. We get lots of emails, we get lots of names, business cards exchanged, and the Bosch experts on the stand are very good at following up with people, visiting them in their garages afterwards.
I think as a company involvement, we feel it's important to give the garages the new technology which they're going to hit in the next 3-4 years, show them how to use it, how to repair it if necessary, just to get them involved basically. I think that's important.
Mechanics are like school kids in a sweetie factory, aren't they, at the end of the day when it comes to tools, and that's what makes them look at them. We're a specialist brand rather than a general tool brand, so yeah, it's been very good for us.
All in all, we find it a very, very good way to interact with the garages.